Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Layer styles let you apply various effects to a layer's content. It should be noted that layer styles can only be applied to entire layers and not to the individual elements within a layer. In addition, layer styles are dynamically linked to the contents of the layer. In other words, if you move the contents of the layers, the appearance of the layer style is also updated. To apply a layer style, select the layer to which you want to apply a layer style within the Layers panel. Then switch to the Styles panel by choosing Window, Styles from the menu bar. If using the basic workspace, note that you can also open this same panel by clicking the Styles button towards the right end of the taskbar. Use the Select a Type drop-down at the top of this panel to select a category of layer styles to show within the panel. Click a layer style to apply from the choices shown in the panel to apply it. Another way to apply a layer style is to select the layer to which you want to apply a layer style within the Layers panel. Then select Layer, Layer Style, Style Settings from the menu bar to open the Style Settings dialog box. You can then check the styles you want to apply and adjust the settings for each style within the sections shown in this dialog box. Then press Enter on your keyboard or click the OK button to apply the layer style. When you apply a layer style to a selected layer, an FX icon appears to the right of the layer's name in the Layers panel to indicate that the layer has a style applied. You can double-click the FX icon to view and change the individual settings of the layer style within the Style Settings dialog box that appears if needed. Then click the OK button or press the Enter key on your keyboard to apply the changed settings. To delete a selected layer's layer style, choose Layer, Layer Style, Clear Layer Style from the menu bar. To copy and paste a layer style onto other layers, select the layer with the layer style to copy, and then select Layer, Layer Style, Copy Layer Style from the menu bar. Then select the layer onto which you want to paste the layer style, and then choose Layer, Layer Style, Paste Layer Style from the menu bar. To hide the display of all layer styles within an image, select Layer, Layer Style, Hide All Effects from the menu bar. To reveal any hidden styles, select Layer, Layer Style, Show All Effects from the menu bar. To scale a layer style, select Layer, Layer Style, Scale Effects from the menu bar. Then enter a value between 1 and 1000%, and then click the OK button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.